Let's take apart this motion sensing light bulb, but first we need to change the blade. Yes, indeed, you don't have to throw these things away, even though they're like a buck or less. You can buy also for a buck 10 blades for it. So you just replace it and yeah. Pretty obvious, but I'm not sure everybody knows this. You never know what the people don't know. Yeah, you just put it in, put this in, it grabs it, and yeah, put it back together. The other way, this way, yeah. Now it's a new blade. So, I don't want to destroy this, that's why I'm cutting above the glue. So the glue holds it in uh, at this level, and I'm cutting above it. So, yeah, I already started it last time in my unboxing video, I think. Come on. Yeah. How shall I do this to not cut myself? Maybe like this, like this, like this. Just go around. Hopefully I don't cut anything important. Inside! Come on. Something's in the way there. I don't know what it is. Oh boy. I'm cutting into something. It feels like that's not really good. Let's just rip it out. Oh, it's not a problem. Oh, I didn't expect this to be quite fancy. So the sensor is up here. Also has a light sensor. Wait, why does it have a light sensor? And the motion sensor. Hey, I never knew it had light sensor. That's good. Maybe I can use this after all. That's interesting. Okay. Well, the light bulb part isn't that spectacular, just a few LEDs, and it's also very weak, 470 lumens. That's half of what a light bulb this size usually outputs. The color is okay. That's the less white, warm white, and yeah. So this is kind of interesting. How they managed to do this? There's the part number, light sensor, and motion sensor. That's interesting. And I may be interested. Yeah, 3 wires go up. Only 3 wires go up here, if I see it correctly. And there are also the 2 wires for power. That, oh, I can open it more. So yeah, let me just focus in. Red, black, and white. That's all. That's going up to the top, to the sensors. There's probably a chip under here. And it just sends a signal to the other chip to turn on the lights or turn off. That's all. That's all it needs to do. It doesn't do fade or anything, just on or off. So yeah, this was $1, less than $1, and I'll put it back together and hopefully use it for something.